Hey friend, I was just thinking, we go to the clinic for various health reasons. It might be to run a test, get medication when sick, visit an unwell loved one, or welcome a new baby. Most times at the clinic, one is bound to congratulate people or feel sorry for some, while others hope to get well soon. But then, have you ever been to the clinic on a tour, or are you fascinated about some terms used in the hospital? Well, in this lesson today, we will learn some medical terms and what they mean. So let's get started. Our first word is scalpel. A scalpel is a lightweight surgical knife with disposable sharp blades that is used during surgery by doctors to etch the skin and other soft tissues. Our next word is CPR. CPR is an acronym for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It is a first aid procedure used to resuscitate a person who nearly drowned or suffered a heart attack. To perform CPR when a person suddenly slumps, lay the person on their back and open their airway by tilting their head backward. Check for breathing and begin CPR if they're not breathing. Perform 30 chest compressions. Perform 2 rescue breaths. Repeat until a medical team and a defibrillator arrives. Which brings us to our next word, defibrillators. Have you ever seen someone being resuscitated after their heartbeat stopped with some electronic devices? Defibrillators were most likely used. Defibrillators are a pair of devices used to restore a normal heartbeat. These devices serve as electrical shock to the heart when the heart is not beating properly or when it suddenly stops beating. Defibrillators are used on a bare chest and are usually faster than the manual CPR method. Next is the ECMO machine. ECMO stands for extracorporeal membrane oxygenation. It is also known as an extracorporeal life support and is used in open heart surgery to provide respiratory or breathing support to a patient whilst the heart and lungs rest. Next is radiology. Radiology is the use of medical imaging to diagnose diseases and treatment of medical conditions. A doctor who specializes in radiology is called a radiologist. Phew! There are several terms associated with medicine and many more equipment found in an infirmary. Did you hear that? I said an infirmary. An infirmary is simply another name for a hospital. Now go ahead and identify more medic words. I'll see you in another lesson.